Hi guys, I am breakfasting at somewhere I have never breakfast before. And this place has been here, so I'm working and breakfasting. So I just said, why? When I got off work for my little break, let me go have some breakfast. I was like, let's go to the Cracker. And this place is amazing. It's just amazing. The ambience is top notch. The food, let me show you guys what I'm getting. It is so good. It is so good. So listen, I have the biscuit. That is, when you say something they melt in your mouth, it's melting in my mouth like this. I was like, I can't remember having biscuit this good. It's good. The biscuit is literally melting in my mouth. What are you having? What are you having for breakfast today? Sometimes some biscuits I eat are very salty, but this is just perfect. Let me show you my breakfast. Now see, delicioso. You all know me now. Uh-oh. Are you ready to dig in? My friend, life is short. Take care of yourself. Enjoy. I like this. These are hash browns. But you all know me. I'm gonna remove this there because I ain't gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna take that one off. This was sometimes hard for me to go out to eat. Because I'll cook my own food. The biscuit, I'm gonna dip it. Yummy. So, they've been in existence since 1969. Oh, it says right. I'll take the memo away. Yeah, 1969. And they are still here. That's beautiful. So I think they serve breakfast all day, every day. So, welcome to breakfasting at the Cracker at Cracker Barrel. So make sure you get something to eat. Take care of yourself. Life is short. Oh wow. Let us see what they got down there. So they got peas, they got tomato. They got stuff down here. The hash brown is good. They have carrots and peas. So guys, we'll get some food.